तमन्ना जी, मेकअप की बात हो रही है इसलिए आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आप तो हमें मेकअप में ब्यूटीफुल लगती हैं, आपके अलावा और कौन कौन से एक्टर हैं जिन्हें आप देखती हैं तो आपको लगता है कि मेकअप में यार ये लड़की बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगती है, ऐसे कभी ऐसे?
मेकअप के बगैर कि मेकअप के साथ?
मेकअप की बात हो रही है तो मेकअप के साथ।
मेकअप के साथ
एंड मेकअप के बगैर भी
आई थिंक if you ask me, I think all our leading ladies in could be Bebo, could be Deepika, could be Alia. They all carry off makeup so beautifully, and fortunately, it's always like makeup has been used to enhance their features versus just make them look like another person. So I love makeup on all these people, and of course Priyanka. I think she's someone who's actually taken it to the next level. So.
तमन्ना जी, सबसे पहले तो बॉबी के बारे में आप हमें ज़रा कुछ बताइए। हमें पता है कि इंटरनेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं, आप थोड़ा उनके बारे में ज़रा कुछ बताइए।
I mean, for me, Bobbi Brown is not something just a name or a person. For me, it's what inspired me to get in, use makeup, learn what to do with it, the colors, and figure out my way through it. So now finally meeting you means a lot to me.
Aww.
For me, it's a circle complete.
Aww.
And thank you for coming here. And I know a lot of women out there are going to be really looking out for what kind of inputs you're going to be giving for the show, because there's so many of us who want to put makeup and want to look good doing it, but we just don't know the techniques. We don't even know what looks good on us. So your presence is going to make it perfect.
Well, I hope to really be the teacher to teach women the little simple things. It's not about the big contouring, it's about the little things that makes makeup work. And that's what I'm excited to be able to teach.
Bobbi, I have a question for you.
Sure.
India is such a diverse country. We have all shades, all complexions and everything. So how does your brand take care of that?
Well, I'm no longer with the brand. I'm not with Bobbi Brown Cosmetics anymore for 2.5 years. But I've always believed that women from wherever they are in the world have to find makeup that works for them. And so America is a very big melting pot. You never know what woman is going to sit in your chair. And I think it's important for women to know that they need to learn the basics. But it's not even just the makeup, it's how they take care of themselves. So it's beauty on the inside out, it's both.
एंड यू नो तमन्ना जी, कि आर्टिस्ट की लाइफ में मेकअप तो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, जहाँ भी जाना है मेकअप, लेकिन वो ऐसा कोई मौका होता है जब आप सोचते हैं कि मेकअप से दूर रहना चाहिए या मेकअप?
पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी दैट आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट यू सेड दैट ब्यूटी इज़ नॉट जस्ट वॉट यू पुट ऑन योर फेस, इट्स ऑल्सो how you feel inside, because that's something I actually just said, and I'm so happy to hear it from someone like Bobbi, because sometimes you think your own thoughts are just it's just something that you're experiencing, but someone as experienced and someone as knowledgeable as you saying the same thing makes me reinforce the same thought. And हाँ, ऐसा होता है, because as actors he asked that do you feel like you should stay away from makeup sometimes? I mean, yes, there are times, because we are wearing makeup on a daily basis, and we're not wearing just a little bit of makeup. We're wearing loads of makeup for different characters. In fact, I would like to share something interesting with you. In the recent past, a lot of filmmakers have wanted to change my skin tone because they think I look nicer when I'm a warmer skin tone. And I think I've actually looked so much nicer like that, and now I'm actually researching onto as to how I can transform and become a different color and still kind of look like myself.
Well, you can't become a different color unless you sit in the sun and get tan.
Yeah, even that doesn't happen to me. I burn.
But then you have to go with what God gave you, and that's what works the most. It's like women that try to lighten their skin. Why?
Yeah.
Everyone has beautiful skin tones. They're all different.
Absolutely.
And so it's important to just be the most beautiful self.
Absolutely.
But it's not just how you look, it's how you feel. And if you're not healthy, then you're not going to feel good in your body. So it really is a holistic picture, and that's what I would like to get across.
True that.
ऐसा कौन सा फीचर आपके फेस का जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा मेकअप करना पसंद है?
मेरे लिए सबसे आसान है माई लिप्स, बिकॉज थैंक यू मम्मी डैडी कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता है, जस्ट लाइक पुट एनी लिप कलर एंड इट वर्क्स. सो आई थैंक माई पेरेंट्स फॉर I mean, there's nothing that you can do for the way you look, right? It's just that what your parents give you.
Right. Well, you definitely are doing something with your gift. You know.
I'm lucky to be able to do that.
You are lucky, yes, and you're lucky that you're also able to act as well as model.
Yes.
And there's also probably many other things in your future that you don't even know are going to happen.
एंड आज के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में ज़रा बताइए, मतलब आज के मेकअप के एक्सपीरियंस, हालांकि आप ब्यूटीफुल तो हैं ही, मिल्की गर्ल बुलाते हैं, आई डोंट नो आपको सुनना पसंद है कि नहीं, लेकिन आज का एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में जरा
So
बताइए।
today it's basically a certified master class which Bobby is doing for all of us, and I'm going to be the muse, and she's going to try out 3 looks on us, right?
Yes, and we're going to take her makeup off. I've seen her
Whatever.
without her makeup. She looks as beautiful without her makeup as she does with it. And then we will do different looks.
Yeah, so we're going to try three different looks. Am I right?
Yes, 3
We're
different
trying 3 different looks today, and that's what's going to even everybody's watching and wants to learn is probably going to take away from that.
The one last question I would like to ask.
Yeah.
कि आपने पहले बोला था कि you have a lot of creativity inside you that is kind of like wanting to come out. Now, are you getting those kind of films because you did Queen's Dreaming, Mahalakshmi,
Yeah.
and all that? So, are you kind of happy now?
Yeah, in fact, the past 2-3
Yeah.
years, I think, especially after Bahubali, I had a lot of different characters to play, and I think that's what's really exciting me. And I think I've taken it up seriously that whenever I intend on playing different characters, I try to look different in them, because I think that makes it so much more interesting for even the people to watch. That it's not just you performing a certain way, but also looking a certain way. So I think that really excites me actually when I get onto a part.